Okay, yeah. Hello, viewers. Say hi to the viewers first of all.
Hi.
So, yeah, guys, we have a topic to speak.
Where is my
Reading
coffee?
books better than watching movie.
Okay, so yeah, we have a really good topic to do discussion. That is reading books is better than watching movies? In my point of view, I think it's depend totally on us. Like if we want to focus on our career, so obviously like there is a way that we should start reading more books, because obviously we know that the book is the by reading books we can make our future, but no, by not only on watching movies we can't. Like obviously you can watch movies in your free time, you can you can do streaming, you can do any browsing in any social media site like Netflix, Amazon, but only in free time. Like, and the the most part of your time should be in your studies. You should focus more on studies, but nowadays obviously we know that nowadays children are just on Netflix for whole day. They are watching, just being watching and these type of things, and also they are watching nonsense movies like, and because of this our generation going down, so we should more focus on studying and on these things. Yeah.
So, in my point of view, both are good in their place because we know there are a lot of movies are biography and documentary, and we know same thing in book also. So we can see movies instead of reading books. So yes.
किससे start करें? So my opinion, books is books is important better than watching movie, because movie waste your time and you focus on our career. So you reading books and develop our knowledge. So that's why books is important.
So we can build our knowledge through watching by movies also, because we know there are lot of knowledgeable things are also shown in movies, and but there is harmful. But movies are harmful also, because we know our eyesight also weak day by day.
So friends, my opinion is book reading is better than watching movie. Book reading is better than watching movie, because if you are reading any book, then you can know how to behave any people. So book is very important for us. So if you are reading any book, then you know our history, then you know our geography. So book is very important for human life.
Both are very important for us, because sometimes we can read books but we cannot watch movies. But movies मतलब कैसे बोलेंगे, मतलब मूवीज से हम ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं जो चीज़ हम देखते
We
हैं.
can understand
We can understand do
in good.
in good for where because we can read books, we can feel lazy, but we can watch movies so feel entertaining. So that's why it's good. Both are good.
So we know if we read book, so we are getting bored. जल्दी मतलब क्या होगा? जल्दी से? Soon. If we read book, we get bored sooner. But if we watching a movie, so it entertain us. So we have focus on that thing. So
Okay, I don't think so. Like for your career, you should watch movies. I think in India, if I talk about Bollywood, like how many Bollywood movies are based on any science fiction? Like they are just mainly based on the fiction, any character or any imaginal character or hypothetical character. Like they are not showing real issues. Like and they are not making movies on real issues. If I talk especially about the Bollywoods, like you have seen that recently, like so many movies, but you can only see there are very less biographies are in there because of that. And nowadays, obviously, like if you see any 8 movie, so Bollywood will copy that, obviously. But if you have to focus on your studies, if you have to give your exam, if you have to appear in the exam, if you want to pass the exam, so obviously you have to read book. There is no other choice than this. And also, like now there is like we have seen that now in this world, we have seen that nowadays people are more on being watching, that is they are watching a long hour series, and that waste a lot of time, like they just spend their entire day on watching this type of useless series, and which have no meaning in their life and in their future. So I think by reading books, obviously you should daily read a book that is also said by the very great persons. And obviously if you take an example of any successful person, so you will know that they are made by the reading books, not by watching movies. So you should more focus on reading books, as I am insisting on that topic. So yeah.
Yes, Aditi, you are saying good, but I am not saying fictional movies. I am saying some documentary and inspirational movies, like some Dangal and some these movies are inspire us to work hard, and but if we can see if we are reading book, so our vocabulary is also enhanced. So reading book are also beneficial for us.
So hello friends, my opinion in book is I cannot say this because some movies related on history. We can see Mohenjo-daro, Dangal. This movie is very related on history. So some movies very important for we can हमें देखना चाहिए. We should see some movies. So we should watch some movie. So it's very important because but in this time some people, some children always watching movie, so it's not good for their body part, because if they do this we cannot body parts मतलब उनके शरीर के लिए देख रहे हैं, आँखों में आया था ना. अरे ये भी तो बॉडी पार्ट है ना. If they are watching movie, they cannot focus on our study. They always think about that movies. So
so we can see lot of fake news are also separated by movies, because they don't read book. कभी बुक के साथ हो जाती हूँ, कभी मूवी के साथ हो जाती हूँ. So we can see some movies are spreading lot of fake things, like Adipurush. They don't read real Ramayan, and they make shit.
Suppose you are a okay. Suppose you are a student. Books are always books always help you. Books always give you knowledge, and you read books and you easily crack your exam, and your communication skill is very better. And people say books is the best friend for people, लोगों के लिए, for human beings. So my books is a very important for not a student life is you are a you want to become in your life, so you can do something and you start up in your new business. So you obviously you read books and you gain knowledge.
So I think you watch movies, so your eyes and your mental health is damaged, and if you read books, so you develop our mental health and concentrate in our goal and focus your work.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, there are a lot of good movies like, as you have said, that Mary Kom, Dangal, Manji the Mountain Man, and people should watch these movies. But the harsh reality of our society is that these movies don't make big money in the market, and they don't promote this type. Government don't promote these type of movies. I think government should take a step toward these type of movies. And you know that nowadays there are so many reality shows, useless reality shows like Big Boss is there running on TV, and these are the useless shows. Like no point of view. Like people are watching. People are no. People are feeling good by watching the fight of others. So that's not a good thing. And there are so many useless reality shows. We have on daily shows also, like let me please. Okay, so yeah, we have seen that in that shows they just use useless topic on just, and they just add some music like dum tanana this type of, yeah, useless topics. These are just useless shows, daily shows. And other rather than this, if rather than this, if movie creator tried to make movies on good things like in science, we have seen that there are so many good movies, but not in Bollywood. Like we have seen that Interstellar, that is mainly very good movie. And but in Bollywood nowadays, the Bollywood is declining phase. I can say that they are just making movies on useless topic, on religious topic, and they are not making movies on any educational things. And for this, I think, so yeah, based on this, I think people should read more books, because obviously books are everything, and from by reading books obviously you will gain knowledge, and knowledge is a powerful weapon in the world. We all know that by knowledge you can change anything. For even making a movie, you have to be knowledgeable person, and if you have a good knowledge, if you read good books, so you can try to depict, you can make a good movie by just using that knowledge. And you should obviously read books for anything. Like if you want, whatever you want to become in your future, you have to read books. You just can't whole day watch movies and you can become any person, whoever you want to in life. Yeah.
So my opinion, we should read a book, because in this time Bollywood industry is releasing lots of movies. they मतलब वो सही नहीं होती, they are wrong way too. So it is not good for our young generation, because if they do, they cannot survive on life easily. Because if you are read a book, then you can gain more knowledge from reading book. Because if you are reading book, you can develop our mind skill, you can develop our writing skill. So book reading is very important for every year. So I tell you about movie. So in this time, many children watching movie and watching videos. So they do violence, and they protest in road and any time. So movie is bad for our youth and our teenager generation. So
So if but we know we are learning English here, but if we always reading, so I don't think we have a good communication, because we have to listen and read and write. Both are pillar to build our English communication. So this is good if sometime we watch movie, and we know there are lot of knowledgeable movies are also here, and like Aditya said, there are lot of reality shows in our surroundings, and they are useless in our daily life, because they are don't mean
Make any sense?
it don't make any sense in our daily life and personal life also.
We can see Bollywood industry the day by day decrease and go wrong way, because we can see actors always क्या था वो actors always easily agree to actors agree to bad role on bad character is not good for us, because new generation always all time watch movies is not for us. They watch मतलब वो वही देखेंगे, अगर वो सब देखेंगे तो वो वही करेंगे. They are watch this type movies, so they do this, so it's not so सही था ना,
yes.
because you are so is not right. So actors always read books and read